At a glance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't look or feel much different from the preceded it, and perhaps that's not to be expected. The competitive game of smartphones is now one of inches. The question is, can the small or even invisible changes add up to something big? In the early going with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I'd say the answer is yes. The other big changes are in software and silicon. Inside the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the new A18 Pro. This is the Apex Apple Silicon mobile chip, a 3nm CPU that has more power for the Pro phones. It should also provide enough power to game to your heart's content. The iPhone 15 Pro Max was a pretty decent little gaming console, so I would expect no less from this bigger and better equipped beast. I will know more when I finally test the phone. Siri has an all-new look and she now makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max screen glow when you summon her. The effect is beautiful on the big screen phone. It was a loud room, so Siri only caught part of my request. I think I asked for her to show me a photo of where I am, but she only heard where I am and quickly brought up my location. Is this the best iPhone Apple has ever made? Possibly, it will certainly claim a spot near the top of our best iPhone list and maybe even best smartphones. I will offer my definitive take when I finish my full review. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.